Europe's independence is about protecting our freedoms, the freedom to decide, to speak out, to move around the whole continent, the freedom to vote, to love, to pray, to live in a union of equality.
This has been quoted by Ursula von der Leyen in the State of the Union speech 2025, while talking about the theme of equality, which is said to be one of the pillars of our EU values. This ensures the right to be treated equally, prohibiting discrimination against your sex, religion, sexual orientation, or origins. Citizens can live up to the value of equality by moving from passive belief to active engagement in the communities and workplaces, especially in the countries in which equality is rather overlooked. True equality is a direction, much like a compass, that requires constant effort and daily choices.
Hello, today I wanted to talk about an important European value, that is solidarity. So solidarity means helping each other, especially in difficult times. In the European Union, this value is essential to create unity between countries and citizens. At the citizen level, people can show solidarity by supporting others in their community, respecting diversity and helping those in need. And in the European level, the EU can promote solidarity by supporting countries facing crises such as economic difficulties, immigration challenges, or climate disasters.
I chose human dignity. So at the level of citizens, dignity means taking responsibility for how we treat one another. It's not just about avoiding violence, it's about actively making sure that everybody feels seen and respected. At the regional and national level, it means that the policies that exist on paper do not just exist on paper. It's equal access to education, healthcare, justice for everybody, regardless of one's background or origin.
The EU value that I have chosen is unity. I think this can be applied into our daily lives and just in general through social gatherings, through community gatherings such as the Bazar Internationale in Luxembourg, where people come and share their culture, share their own vision of the world. I think that's one of the most important things that we have to promote as the EU, instead of promoting separation and exclusion. All kinds of people from all kinds of countries.
Democracy is the cornerstone of European unity. It ensures that governments act in the interest of the people and they are involved in political decision-making process. Each political party has the same right to promote their beliefs, and this ensures a fair election. This makes sure that people can vote for new governments if the old ones didn't live up to their promises.
As citizens, we must vote and be mindful of who we vote to make sure that extremist parties don't get into our governments. We have to question what our leaders do so that they can be held accountable for what they do.